For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. We have the National Weather Bulletin. This is forecast for the next 24 hours commencing 26th of February morning. The mountains have been snowing for the last few days, but this is going to pick up now. Intensity is going to increase and possibly the rain belt is going to extend further. The temperatures are on the rise over most parts of the country, especially the central parts. We have a look at the weather features responsible for the weather activity, which is a western disturbance first. That's over parts of Jammu Kashmir and adjoining areas. This is the system which I'm talking about, and also this is associated with a cyclonic circulation, that's an induced cyclonic circulation, which is over parts of Punjab, Haryana and even adjoining Pakistan region. This system will stay for some time now. Next at least about 48 hours we can expect this snowfall activity to pick up over Jammu Kashmir, even the popular resorts of Pahalgam, Gulmarg, along with Kupwara, Poonch, that area. Possibly Srinagar also will have some snowfall in these 24 hours. The rain belt, as I said, possibly may extend to foothills of Punjab, covering parts of say Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Jalandhar, and then going further Chandigarh also is expected. Chandigarh, Ambala, Yamunanagar, Panchkula can expect this rains. It will confine to the foothills only and will be light in nature. Before this, the temperatures were on the rise. There have been record temperatures. Capital Delhi recorded 15 years record, 32.5 degrees centigrade. Also, parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra and even Odisha, they're quite hot. Odisha, Bhubaneswar, the capital city, recorded 38 degree quite early in the season. First city to go 38 this year so far. And then on the other side, Gujarat in any case has been clocking temperature to the tune of about 36 plus, including the state capital Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad. Rajasthan, place like Phalodi is clocking temperature of 37 degrees or so. The down south, the trough is seen that's extending from Kerala. Actually, there is a circulation. It's a dry circulation. Parts of Maharashtra and Telangana. This is going to become almost a semi-permanent feature as the heat builds up during the month of March. Regularly, the trough will be seen over these parts, oscillating a little left and right. Not associated with any significant weather at the moment as such. Yes, trickle of some light rain can be expected over some parts of coastal parts of Kerala or Karnataka. Other parts generally remain sunny and dry, of course. The weather conditions in the east and northeast, nothing much. Yes, light rainfall can be expected over parts of Arunachal Pradesh and maybe extreme upper parts of Assam, in association with the feeble disturbance which is marked here as a cyclonic circulation, but not having any much of a moisture content in this particular system as such. So next 24 hours we got to watch out now change of the weather, though the temperatures which are in excess, they possibly will take a dip, but mostly after 48 hours over the northern parts. These 24 hours we can expect temperature in excess of the normals by almost about 7, 8, 9 degrees centigrade over parts of Punjab and Haryana, including the capital Delhi, which is going to excess temperature of almost about touching 33 degrees centigrade. That's the weather update from Skymet. Keep watching for latest and the further information. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.